One of the biggest killers of reps' time is tab switching. We give them too many tools, we ask them to manage way too many things, and that is a big cognitive load that we're putting on our reps. What ends up happening is they're switching between multiple tabs and trying to actually figure out what to do. When you add up the amount of time, it's about 5 hours that are wasted every single day. The problem is that tab switching or context switching, it actually does have an impact on the way that we think and the way that we operate. And this is probably 10 times worse in the world of sales. We are constantly switching tabs. We are constantly in our CRM, our inbox, and then we're in a meeting. How do we actually need to simplify this is by doing more with less. So I'm going to give you the 9-minute method. And what this is about turning busy into productive. I have tried everything. I've tried the 1-hour call blocks. I've tried the 15-minute blocks. The 9-minute block is something that is actually very intentional. And it's also what I like to call it's micro commitments. When you can break bigger tasks into smaller digestible tasks, you will realize how much more you can actually achieve in any given day. So let's break down what that 9-minute method actually is. First, minute 0 to 1, close all your tabs. Literally, you probably have 20 tabs open right now. Close all of them and open only one tab. For the next 8 minutes, whatever that task is, only do that task. There's no more Slack, no more email. Whatever it is you're focusing on, stay focused. I'll give you a very concrete example. You might have 20 tasks due today, and it's a combination of email, phone calls, or LinkedIn messages. And so what we tend to do is we just start going down the list. The problem is there's a lot of context switching that happens when I'm in my email, or when I go to pick up the phone, or when I go into LinkedIn to send a message. So what we're doing now is we're saying if we made that commitment that these next 8 minutes is on LinkedIn, I am doing exactly that and nothing else. Once you have that done, your first 9-minute sprint is finished. Now let's go to the next one. The goal is that throughout your day, you can actually start to build these 9-minute blocks, which is much easier than trying to block out an hour of our time. Let's be honest, our goal is to be on calls with our clients, on calls with potential customers. And so it's really hard for us to say, I'm gonna block out the next hour and not allow a client to book time on my meeting. Good luck with that. What you can do though, is you can block out 9 minutes to be able to do a 9-minute email block, a 9-minute phone block. And what you will see, and you'll be surprised, is at the end of the day, you ended up hitting every single goal that you wanted to achieve, which are all those input metrics that are actually gonna lead to the results that you're trying to get. The homework's real easy. Stop what you're doing, close down everything, open up one tab, start that simple task, then go to your next 9-minute block. Try it out for a couple of weeks and see the results that you'll actually start to achieve.